Hey, 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 good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Danielle K. Howell here. Today's success tips with Danielle I'm giving you for today. I'm actually walking downstairs because my little puppy, if you can see her, she wants to go outside. So I'm gonna let her go outside and actually talk to you guys outside. And as you all pop on, I'll give you all some tips. So what I want to talk to you all about today is this: how to generate leads, create that follow-up, right? Because a lot of times we don't understand that, you can generate lots of leads, but if you are not following up, and as a matter of fact, I just put something like that on my Facebook page just about an hour or so ago, and it got a lot of people talking because I put down on my Facebook page that, leads are the lifeline of your business. I'm just going to come outside and what do I mean by that? Yeah, you have to generate leads. You have to be able to get new people into your pipeline, right? I've spoken about this. I've done webinars on it. I've done Facebook Lives about it. But the thing about it is this, right? This is the most important thing, is the follow-up. Most people miss the follow-up. So I'm going to talk to you really quickly today about my step-by-step process to following up with my leads so that I can create rapport and get them to know me, like me, trust me, so I can know their needs and so that I can help them. Because ultimately, you want to help your people, right? Get this down, get this down. If you don't remember anything else, get this down. You want to help your people, guys. And the only way to help your people is by getting to know what they want, what they desire. Why are they on your list in the first place? Okay, so how, first of all, do you generate leads? You generate leads by having an offer. And this is something that I teach my students, how to have an offer that's going to get them from where they are right now. See my little doggy over there? I gotta watch her because she slips out the gate into the neighbor's backyard. I'm out here with her. So you have to learn how to have an offer, right? So you have an offer, and then you have your, your capture page. We've talked about that. That's how you generate your leads, right? It's easy peasy. You can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use YouTube, you can use LinkedIn. I use all of the above. My favorites though are Facebook and YouTube. Those are my two favorite lead generating platforms. Social media, but social media hands down is the best place to generate leads. So you have your offer, right? Now, what is an offer? Right? Remember, this is a step-by-step process. Your offer is something that you are giving away either for free or very low cost. Now, most of the times it should be free. It should be free. I even teach this in my Shopify course, right? You have a free plus shipping. Ta-ting, right? People like free. So even if you are doing affiliate marketing, whatever you're doing, you have to create a system. Get the person in for free. It doesn't matter how big, your or how high cost your offer is, right? I have people all the time, well, I have a high ticket item, and my first question to them is this: well, what are you giving them for free first? You got to get people in. You just can't, throw a $10,000 product on somebody. They're not going to buy. If they don't know you, they haven't seen you around, they're not going to buy. That is that's a waste of time. You can run ads all you want to. That's a waste of time and money. You want to give something away for free. It could be a free ebook. It could be a free webinar. It could be a free newsletter. It could be a free download. It could be a free video series. It could be anything that you want, that you can give away, that's going to bridge the gap between what you're selling, right? So you have to create something of value that you can give away for free. And what you're going to do, you are going to give that thing away for free, right? And then when the person is on your email list, that's where you start to sell. So when you have a free offer, right? A free offer, it doesn't matter where what it is, but it should be something that people want, and it's going to just coincide nicely with your offer that you are offering that the people have to pay for. Does that make sense? Let me know if that makes sense. I don't know if I can see your comments. I'm not seeing any comments coming through. But let me know if that makes sense. Okay, if you're watching the replay, if you're watching this live, let me know if that makes sense. Because you have to understand, people like free things. They like to buy, but they don't want to be sold to. Right? They don't want to be sold to. So here you come as a savvy marketer, generating the leads. Generate your lead. Before you do anything else, generate your lead. Hello, Paula. Because when you generate your lead, then you have the ability to re-talk to these people over and over and over again. Over and over. I even teach this in my Shopify course, right? You have a pop-up on your page that generates a lead. So if somebody tries to leave your store, you have their information. I've made many sales in my Shopify store just by reconnecting with the people who were on my email list, right? That's the way to do it. That's how people make money in this industry. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, high ticket, low ticket, medium ticket, whatever it is, you need to generate your leads. And then you need to get your leads to know who you are, okay? You got to let them know who you are. So if you are representing, like me, myself, I brand myself. But I also have a Shopify store. I brand my Shopify store with that. So if I want to brand myself, right, then I'll say, hey, it's Danielle. How are you? Thank you so much for getting my free whatever. Have you seen this video? Or have you seen this special offer for a limited time only? Now I'm taking them back, right? I'm taking them back to the thing that I want them to buy. Okay? But again, if it's a real high ticket, you have to kind of like go through levels. You got to give them something for free, then give them something for a little more price, right? Maybe not free, but not that expensive. Send them to something else that's a little bit more expensive. You have to warm people up before they're going to spend hundreds of dollars with you. They're not just going to spend hundreds of dollars with you right off the bat, or thousands of dollars, even $10 if they don't know you. If they don't trust your store or your offer. Hey, Raisa. So it's very important that you build rapport, right? So we say build a list, but the actual money is not in the list itself, but it's all about making a relationship with that list. The fortune is in the follow-up. I think Jim Rohn said that. The fortune is in the follow-up. It's all about you following up and seeing what people want, what they need, and how you can give it to them. Because once you get good at that, you won't have to go crazy doing all this, crazy stuff. You just have an offer going, right? Have an offer going. I always have an offer going. Always. So I'm generating leads, 30, 40, 50, 60 leads a day, right? Every day. And I'm behind the scenes working in my email, and people are buying from there. So that's the process, guys. That's a step-by-step process. Of course, there's more to it. You got to know what to say, right? You got to know how to introduce yourself. You got to know how to have your right signature. All that stuff matters. You got to know how many times to follow up. People need 7 to 10 exposures of you before they decide to buy from you. All that stuff is important. All of that stuff is important. I'm watching my puppy here. She likes to escape through the fences. So, so hopefully this was informative. If you don't have my free step-by-step guide, please, there's a link around here. Click that link, get access to my free 5 step-by-step blueprint. It's going to share with you exactly what I did, the exact 5 steps that I took to go from zero, broke, my story, drowning in debt, to literally living the life of my dreams. There she goes. She's at the fence, and then she looks at me, because she knows she's not supposed to go into that. Chi-Chi, come. So, but this is how it goes, guys. It's not rocket science. It's not something that you have to, that you have to hire anybody to do. You do this yourself. You learn how to create your own economy, okay, so that you can be free. Because if you don't learn how, I've been having lots of conversations with people about the big disparity, the big gap between rich and poor. There's a big gap, guys, and you have to learn how to create your own economy, right? And it starts by you generating leads. You're not going to make a lot of sales. No, Chi-Chi, there she goes, going down. You're not going to make a lot of sales if you don't know how to generate the leads. just remember that. And if you don't know how to, after you generate the leads, how to communicate with those leads, Chi-Chi, know, so that you can create a great business for yourself, and that you can be outside chasing your dog around in the afternoon. I'm going to take her in the house now. Say hi, Chi-Chi. Say hi. She's being bad, guys. She's going under the gate. But I hope this was valuable content for you. I hope you understood it. Watch this again. You know, a lot of times, you know, repetition is the key to mastery, right? Repetition is the key to mastery. And so sometimes you have to hear and see things more than once to really understand how it works. Okay, you got to understand. Paul is laughing. She's on lockdown. I got her. She's not happy. But that's what it is, guys. That's what it is. It's not rocket science, but yes, you do need to know exactly how to do this stuff. You need to know, you know, the words to use. You got to learn how to talk to your list in the way that they can understand. That's why it's so important to know your target audience. If you don't know your target audience, none of this stuff will matter. None of this stuff will work. Okay, none of it will work. And that's why I like to give away my free ebook, and so that you can understand a little bit more about this stuff and how you can set up yourself to win. Set yourself up to win. All right, guys, I appreciate you all. Share this video out. Share this with someone who needs to know about leads generation and all that stuff, because it's important. People more than now and more than ever before need to learn how to build their own businesses, because it's crucial. It's crucial. Soon I'm going to be talking about how to grow your own garden out here. I'm going to start my garden. It's just it is so important, guys. So important that you have full control of your life. And it starts with controlling how much money you can make, which is really limitless. No limits to what you can do. All right, my friends, I love you. Share this with your followers. Share this information out, and I'll see you on the next video. Chi-Chi is squirming. I'll see you guys soon. Say bye, Chi-Chi.